Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies using margarine. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring your margarine is softened to room temperature. This crucial step helps create a smooth, well-combined dough. Using stick margarine with at least 80% vegetable oil will yield the best texture and flavor for your cookies. Let's get baking. When substituting margarine for butter, a few adjustments are helpful. Margarine typically contains more water, so adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra flour per cup of margarine can prevent a thin, spread-out cookie. Also, if your margarine is salted, you might want to reduce the added salt in your recipe slightly to maintain balance. These small changes make a big difference. Proper mixing is key for great cookies. Cream your softened margarine and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once you add the dry ingredients, mix just until combined to avoid tough cookies. Bake your cookies on parchment-lined sheets at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. If your cookies spread more than desired, try chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. This helps the margarine firm up, preventing excessive spreading. For a crispier cookie, bake them for an extra minute or two. For a chewier texture, pull them out slightly sooner. Enjoy your homemade margarine cookies. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.